Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic for today's video is how you can make PayPal money on Temu app. And let's get started with the video. Please do not skip the video and follow me step by step. First of all, you will click this Temu app icon that is visible on my screen. After you click it, it brings you to this home page that you can see right now. You have to click the U option in the bottom middle of your screen. After you click this option, it brings you to this page where you have to select settings and make sure that the country and region selected is US. You have to scroll down and see if United States is chosen. After you have seen that, please click currency and see if USD is selected. Guys, after making this sure, go back and click earn credits and free gifts. Here you can see you have lots of options, out of which I will click redeem cash. After clicking it, you can see it brings me to this page, and if I scroll down, it shows me that on level 1 I need 150 coins to redeem 1 PayPal dollar, and after I'm done with level 1 I need 150 more coins to redeem PayPal dollar 2, and after that I can move to level 3. Guys, this was an easy process to redeem PayPal money and make some PayPal cash. I hope you liked my video. The process was very easy, and if you did like my video, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.